Hi, Angela. I'm going to show you from my end what it looks like, and then I'll go in as a student, and you can see how you can check. So, I'm sorry, little kid. I just click this little rectangle with the percentage, and that percentage is the amount of your assignment that has been found to be already published. So I click there, and then Turnitin generates this, or what they call an originality report. And then I click, you can see if you scroll down that there's some highlight. That's the part that's in question. So you can click this little page icon and then the number again. And it tells you, oh, there's some more I see. It shows you exactly where, I think this one is from the 3 Equations to a Happy Life article. So it looks like you maybe just didn't put it in quotation marks, but you know, summaries shouldn't really have quotes. Yeah, we should talk. I just emailed you about your essay too. We should talk about summaries too, because you don't have the first sentence right, and it doesn't look like the major details. I think we should talk about your summaries too. But this is how you check your originality report. And then from your end, you go into grades, and then anywhere you see a flag like this, then there's a report. But you can't click that flag. You have to click on the title, and then you can click on the flag. So that's how you check. So let's talk about how to write a summary when we meet too. I might not be able to meet tomorrow, Saturday. It might have to be Sunday for me, but let's be in touch, okay?